Today I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails issue. So let's get into it. To get started, what you have to do is go to your mobile apps and here you have to open Gmail app. Once you open the app, now here you have to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. After that, you have to scroll down and go to the settings option and click on the general settings. You have to find email sync option and now you have to click on the auto sync option. Maybe you are facing this issue due to you have not enough space. So what you have to do is you have to select unnecessary emails and you have to delete them. Once you delete the unnecessary emails, and now you have to make sure you also remove them from the recycle bin to clear the storage. And once the storage is clear, now you have to refresh in order to receive new email. But if it still doesn't work for you, what you can do is you have to go to your mobile settings. In mobile settings, you have to scroll down and go to the apps and management section and you have to click on it. Now here you have to scroll down and go to the Gmail app and open it. Once you open it, now you have to click on the storage option and here you have to click on the clear cache and clear storage option. Once you select these options, your problem will be resolved. But if this still doesn't work for you, what you have to do is you have to go to your mobile settings and here you have to click on the accounts and backup option. Now click on the manage accounts. Here you have to select that account in which you are not receiving emails and here you have to click on the remove account option and again click on the remove account. Now once your account is removed, what you have to do is you have to again log in this account, and once you again log into this account, your problem will be resolved. So that's how to fix email not receiving on Gmail.